Today we'll review the best ERP software for companies in the healthcare industry. So if you're in the private healthcare industry, a hospital, or healthcare provider, then this video is for you. Also, make sure you download our full top 10 healthcare ERP report, which you can find in the link in the description. If you are starting your ERP journey, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. And then head over to erpresearch.com where you can fill your boots for free ERP analysis, ERP project resources, templates, and so much more. With that, let's talk about the best ERP systems for healthcare businesses. Microsoft Dynamics 365. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is a widely used ERP solution in the healthcare industry. Dynamics comes in two versions designed for both small and larger businesses. What's interesting for the healthcare companies is Microsoft's Healthcare Industry Cloud, which allows healthcare companies to bolt additional industry-specific functionalities. Check out our full review of Dynamics in the link in the description. Oracle Netsuite. Oracle Netsuite is a well-known cloud ERP solution that is used by healthcare companies globally, from private healthcare providers through to health tech companies. Netsuite delivers end-to-end ERP capabilities from sales and marketing through to production, products, resourcing, and many more, making it a powerful tool for healthcare companies. Want to see if Oracle Netsuite has the functionality you need? Check the link down below. Sage Intacct. Sage Intacct is a great ERP solution for small and mid-sized healthcare firms and comes with a clean user interface plus powerful capabilities for financial management, billing, projects, business intelligence, and much more. Sage Intacct was acquired a few years ago by British software giant Sage and is used widely around the world. Make sure you check out our full review below. SAP Business By Design. SAP Business By Design is an entry-level ERP from German software vendor SAP. Unlike many SAP ERP solutions, By Design is designed for companies with 50 to 5,000 employees and has a customer list including some of the world's fastest growing healthcare companies. If you want to find more details on SAP Business By Design, check the link in the description. Odoo. Odoo has become incredibly well used by healthcare companies around the world that want to maximize flexibility and low cost for ERP solution. Odoo is an open source ERP which enables your organization to configure and build your own functionality to its own needs. Odoo covers functionality including CRM, sales, e-commerce, MRP through to finance, and much more. See our full analysis down below. Summary. So that's just a sneak preview of some of the best ERP for healthcare businesses. But make sure you check the video in the description for our full depth analysis. Thanks for watching.